Malacanang assures that the increase in the price of rice is only temporary. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte quoted the Department of Agriculture that the increase is due to the current lean season. She added that the price increase will range only between 1 and 2 pesos. Yusek Valte assured that the government will conduct strict monitoring of rice to prevent traders from unreasonably jacking up the price of the major staple.
Lean season po kasi ngayon at taon-taon po nangyayari po ito. So ang lean season po according to the Department of Agriculture would be June, July at August, makakaani na ho yung mga magsasaka po natin. At ayon po din sa mga computation ng DA at ng NFA, wala po sa range ng 2 to 3. Ang pinoproject po nila ay 1 peso to 2 peso increase depending on the area. Kaya kung napapansin din nyo po, sa ganito ay nag-aayos po ng buffer stock ang NFA. Para po kung kakailanganin ng intervention ay handa po ang pamahalaan. Pero natural po ito dahil nga po lean season. This is nothing new. Taon-taon po nagkakaroon po talaga tayo ng ganito.